In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Canva. We'll go from your Canva canvas to a print-ready PDF and then to paper. Step by step. First, open your design in Canva so you can see it in the editor. Before exporting, let's make sure it won't print with unwanted white borders. Go to File, then View Settings and turn on Show Print Bleed and Show Crop Marks. Bleed is a small extra margin that extends background colors or images past the edge, so trimming doesn't reveal thin white lines. Crop marks are the corner guides that show where the final edges should be. If your design doesn't reach the edge, bleed is less critical, but it's smart to preview it. Take a moment to move important text or logos slightly inward so nothing gets cut off. Now we're ready to export. Click the Share button in the top right corner of Canva. Then choose Download. In the File Type drop-down, select PDF Print. This format is optimized for high-quality printing and consistent color. Next, check the box for crop marks and bleed so the exported PDF includes the same guides you just reviewed. Click Download and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. The file you are saving is a high-resolution PDF ready for printing. To print, open that PDF in your default PDF viewer. Use the print command Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac. In the print dialog, choose your printer, paper size, and orientation to match your design. For accurate sizing, set the scale to actual size or 100%. If your design uses bleed and your printer supports borderless printing, enable borderless. Otherwise, expect small margins on many home printers. Choose color or black and white as needed, and select a higher quality setting for sharper results. When everything looks correct in the preview, send it to print. And that's the whole process. Thanks for watching.